Part 2, so let's play. So, we got another building, this is the same game like the, oh wait, what happened? Okay, my cursor is, okay, now it's fixed. Right here, this is the second building, like the same game I played. But that alerts one is still going off because I can't reset it in the first part. But this is the same game as we did in the first part. We have another spectral RPG1, has an outside kind of weatherproof thing on the sides of it. It looks like it's system resetting, but it's not. That's alert. This is an annunciator, and right over there is a control panel for the fire one, and this one's the control panel for the alert one. Voice evac suppression control panel. Emergency switch. It's a federal signal. The company that just makes the tornado sound. This is the control panel. Fire alarm control panel. Right here we have these things which I don't understand. But you also might be wondering this thing. It's the sprinkler timer. Right here, okay, right on the side of here, on these shelves, we got some fire alarms. I don't know why they put these. Wait, can I pull them down? Oh, I can, but I can't. I don't want to do it because that's gonna ruin the game. Just kidding. How do I? There's no pull stations for fire, only for the emergency things. But okay, come on. Okay, it's opened. Why does it look like the system is resetting? Oh, we have to do a drill. Oh, there we go. So, I also forgot to mention these on the wall. No, it's on the ceiling. I don't know anything. No. Sometimes I just be wrong. That's system sensor is making like that noise. Come on, come on. Do it. The clicking hand should stop. There it is. Okay, just stop it. No, but you can still hear the alert fire alarms going off in that other building, which I did in the part 1. But it doesn't let I don't think there's a way to shut it off. That it's not gonna make noise anymore. It'll reset. There we go. System reset. Okay, now it's reset. System all normal. You have to close this panel now, but it's impossible because it's still open. There's no pull stations in all of these buildings, but only for the emergency. But they're push stations. No, we could just but this is 3 minutes. Let's do another building in part 3. Bye, guys.